Morrocco Method's apple cider vinegar shampoo represents the element of fire and aligns with our strengthened hair goal. It has apple cider vinegar, which cleanses the scalp. It also includes essential oils such as flax, cinnamon, ginger, lavender, and sweet orange, which helps to cleanse and clarify your scalp and hair. It's good for all hair types and has antibacterial properties. It increases blood flow and stabilizes pH, which increases the activity of the sebaceous glands to flush out debris, oil buildup, and unhealthy bacteria. It's also our most clarifying shampoo, so it's best to help detox chemical buildup from unnatural products.